Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. Once again, this is Andre from Spencer's blog. Teola is currently 9 months pregnant. Yes, 9 months. So guys, Teola believes that she is gonna prepare to go to my work event, but actually she has a surprise baby shower put on by her sisters. So hope it goes well. Think it will. I hope she'll be surprised. That's what I mean. But if you haven't already, stay tuned and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
9 whole months.
You're gorgeous, Taylor.
What are you looking for, Andre?
What's up, mga security song? Yeah. Take your time. Come. Very warm. Never expected
I
it.
wonder why Andre walked back and forth.
I wasn't sure which side to enter from.
Yeah. I'm like, what happened? Like, why are you walking back and forth? He said, like, security. Want to talk to security. I'm like, okay. What is security?
I wanna come home to roses and dirty little notes on post-its. And when my hair starts turning gray, I'll say I'm like a fine wine, better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents, that true love starts with friendship. A kiss on the forehead, a date night, fake an apology after a fight. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in the living room like we're 18 and sing your prom and go. Oh, with someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me like
I wonder what gender
my
is it.
father loves my
So hey guys, just content for the channel. This is awesome, surrounded by good people, good food, and just great. So where is Alexa's in the background?
We did it.
Yeah, great job. This is just great. Like you guys did great.
Yeah, it was good.
So this is
She
good.
got it.
Yep. Where's she?
She was so surprised.
She's that one. You want to say to your favorite Taylor?
Everybody,
Yeah.
well, I don't know if to say. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. My lash all off.
So let's begin their chin in a second. Alright, so once again guys, this has been an awesome event. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. Teola was very, very surprised and excited. Look at you, look cute.
I'm a look cheeky. Oh my god.
Yeah, but you're beautiful. Anyway, yeah. Sonia, you guys did a great job.
Can't believe. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming.
Once again, if you haven't already, do not forget to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
hey, message from your daddy. Wow, go on, me dopes.
Babe, starting properly.
I did.
Yeah. I'm addicted to your toxicity. The way you up when I'm down, my remedy. Been your friend when you thought you lost everything. But baby, would you could